These solar system puzzles are such a great find for kids who love space. As a parent, I'm always looking for toys that are both fun and educational, and these puzzles check both of those boxes. One of my favorite features is that the picture is printed underneath the puzzle pieces, which really helps younger kids match each piece to the correct spot without getting frustrated. It makes it fun and confidence boosting, especially for toddlers and preschoolers who are still learning how puzzles work. The quality is really nice. The wooden pieces feel sturdy, smooth, and well made, and they fit together easily without being too loose or too tight. The space and planet artwork is bright and engaging, and it's a great way to introduce kids to the solar system while also working on fine motor skills, hand-eye coordination, and problem solving. Overall, these puzzles are a really nice quality, and I think they would make a great gift. If you're looking for an educational, space-themed activity, this would be a great option to add to your rotation.